Hi, in this lecture we'll discuss angles. So what is an angle? An angle is formed when two rays start from a common initial point. That common initial point is called the vertex. So this ray 1 and ray 2, they are starting from this common initial point which is O. This common initial point is called vertex of the angle. And then these two rays are called arms or side of the angle. So let's see like how we can classify angles. So these angles can be classified into 5 types. One is acute angle, which is less than 90 degree. Then right angle, which is 90 degree. Then obtuse angle, which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. And fourth is straight angle, which is exactly 180 degree. And fifth is reflex angle, which is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So first of all, let's discuss what acute angle is. An acute angle, as we already discussed, it's an angle which is less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. So this will be an acute angle. Again, this is 80 degree angle. It will again be a acute angle, and 30 degree angle will also be an acute angle. And all these angles are less than 90 degrees, so they all are acute angles. So next is right angle. A right angle is an angle which is exactly of 90 degree. So all these angles are 90 degree angle, so they are right angles. So next is obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is an angle which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So this angle 120 degree is obtuse angle. It is more than 90 degree. This 170 degree is again more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So this will also be an obtuse angle. And this right side angle 135 degree will also be an obtuse angle because it is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Next angle is straight angle. Straight angle is of exactly 180 degree. So see, this angle is 180 degree. So it will be a straight angle. Straight angle is formed from a straight line. So that is why it is called a straight angle. So this angle is also 180 degree, straight line again. So this also is a straight angle. So next angle is reflex angle. Reflex angle is an angle which is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So this 240 degree angle will be a reflex angle because it's more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. 270 degree and 300 degree similarly will be a reflex angle because they are more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree.